Well, howdy, folks. It's Captain Banana. That's right, another video. It's Sunday, November 13th, and I'm in New Jersey. Yeah. The place is 10 Squirrelwood Road. Say hello to the pussycat. Say meow, 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 meow. Yes, my little pussycat. My sweet little pussycat. Oh, my little precious. Yeah, so it's 10 Squirrelwood Road. Place is called Kingsway Mead or something like that. I have a two-stopper. One stop here, and then my second stop is in Maine, Tuesday. So my dispatcher tells me, well, yeah, they have overnight parking. And I'm like, awesome. I'm going to go there and park overnight and deliver early in the morning and get the hell out of here and go off to Maine. Cool. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I followed my GPS till it said you're arriving at your destination on the right. And I looked and I'm like, no. There is no Woodland Park place that I'm arriving at. No industrial park. What the hell? And the sign in front of me says no trucks. So I'm like, shit. Well, I pull my brakes, put my flashers on, and I'm sitting there and I'm looking at my GPS and I'm looking at Google Maps, and I find the place that I'm supposed to be, which is it's not far away, but it's not close. And I'm like, what the? Ooh. And I'm looking at it on Google, on Google Earth, and I'm looking like, you got to be shitting me. Like, yeah, I might be able to get the truck in there and be able to back around, but you got to be kidding me. Like, what the hell are they sending me to? And I don't see any place where I'm going to be able to park overnight. I mean, this is just freaking ridiculous. So check this out. Okay, had to get out of the truck to show you this shit. You're not going to believe this. So where that car just pulled out, I had to make a right-hand turn, come into this parking lot, continue making a right-hand turn, stop, and back up to yeah. I'm at the right place. And as you can see, I am backed. Like, they have no loading dock. Like, this is a real typical North Jersey place. Yeah. Oh, God, that stinks. Christ, I'm about to puke. But anyway, yeah, I backed up. I'm backed into a spot. So, like, this is where I'm going to be parked overnight because, yeah, I am definitely at the right place. But they have no loading dock. I don't know how they're going to unload me tomorrow. That should be fun. And then, of course, I also don't know how the fuck I'm going to get out of here tomorrow either. Because, well, they don't want to turn left. And I don't think I can turn right. Yeah, it's going to be a challenge. Well, that's tomorrow's problem. What the fuck? Yeah. So, and it's partially my fault because I didn't properly trip plan. I didn't pull it up on Google Maps. I didn't look at where I was going. I just, like an idiot, just blindly followed my GPS till I got here and the GPS gave me the wrong place, and I was just like, whoa, what the fuck? Luckily, the good Lord sent me an angel, because guy in a pickup truck pulls up and says, yeah, I'm a truck driver, and I know you're lost because you're not supposed to be here. And I'm like, hey, you think? So he said, yeah, you need to make a U-turn and follow me. I'll lead you to the place where you're going. And it's real tight. You're going to have to do a whole lot of maneuvering to get in here, which he wasn't kidding. And I did. And yeah, so yeah, proper trip planning is key.